Our next contestant is contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora. Contestant number 3, Vahoy Song Haukip. Contestant number 11, Nancy Mayang Lambam. Contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Contestant number 5, Kim Ching Them Sing Sot. Contestant number 12, Cecil Hingday Chong Kim Kong Sai. Contestant number 18, Ning Sai Kim Baite. Contestant number 1, Irungbam Pinky Devi. And last, contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biak Moy. So here you are, Churchandpur, our top 10 semi-finalists. Five will move one step closer to be crowned the Miss KUT 2022. Churchandpur, are you ready?
We have the result in our hands. I have the names of the top 5 finalists. We can turn off the music now.
The top 5 starts now. The first contestant making the top 5 is contestant number 16, Teresa Nyangai Sang.
Also still in the competition is contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora. Also still in the competition is contestant number 14, Kim Nun Them Angelica Bora.
The third spot is contestant number 15, Rosie Nyang Biak Moy.
7 women remain. There are only 2 highly coveted spots. Let us hear it for our fourth finalist, which is contestant number 3, Vahoy Chong Haukip.
6 women with a dream and only 1 spot left. Churchandpur, who do you think is going to be the last contestant? We have congratulations, contestant number 2, Gloria Sanate. Give it up for your top 5. One of them will soon be crowned Miss KUT 2022.
Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, our 5 finalists for this evening. One of them will be crowned Miss KUT 2022. As we all know that Miss KUT is not just a title. The woman who wins the crown instantly becomes the KUT ambassador. She must be a great communicator, quick, clear, and confident. The next question round would put that ability to the test.
We are coming up to the moment of truth. Out of these 5 beautiful women, 1 will be crowned Miss KUT 2022. I would like to call the ushers.
In this basket are individual envelopes of different questions that would be presented to each of these contestants. You would have to pick one of these envelopes and we would read out the question, and they're all individual questions.
First up, contestant number 2.
And The first question of the evening. My co-host will read it out to you. All the best.
Contestant number 2. Her question is, which one would you choose? A rich man or a faithful man? And why?
Good evening, everyone. Thank
Step
you
forward,
for the
please.
question.
Sorry, please step forward. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. I will choose a faithful man because a faithful man is a word to be husband than a rich man, because if a rich man is unfaithful to me, why should I choose a faithful person to be a husband to me? So I'll rather choose a faithful man to be my husband. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Next we have contestant number 5. Co-host will read the question for contestant number 5.
This is very interesting. So the question for you is, which one would you choose? The conflicting wish of your boyfriend or your parents, and why? Let me repeat that for you. Which one would you choose? The conflicting wish of your boyfriend or your parents, and why? Which one of these would you choose? A conflicting wish of your boyfriend or your parents, and why?
Good evening, everyone. I would choose the wish of my parents because they have raised me since my childhood, and even when I'm a child, I don't know how much hardship and how much struggles they would have gone through. Since I'm from a middle-class family, we struggled to meet our daily ends. So, my boyfriend, I can choose another one. So for me, I will fulfill the wish of my parents. Thank you. But we can't choose our parents. Thank you.
That was quite a smart answer. Third, can you please step forward? Thank you.
This is our contestant, Teresa.
And your question is, which place on earth or city would you like to visit and why? Let me repeat that for you. Which place on earth or city would you like to visit and why?
As a person who has a big interest in fashion, I would probably visit Paris, which is known to be the country of fashion, because I would love to put, excuse me, I would love to dress up.
Media needs to be controlled and why? Let me repeat that for you. Do you think social media needs to be controlled and why?
Good evening, everyone. I hope you're having a good time. So my answer is, I think social media should be controlled because everyone is not perfect and we are trying to be perfect, you know. So we should treat one another how you expect to be treated. Someone is trying to be beautiful, you should appreciate her, not troll her for trying. So we should treat someone how we want to be treated, even on social media and on real life. Thank you.
That was quite a smart answer. Well, I think the judges are going to have a very tough time. And our fifth finalist.
Contestant number 3 has picked a question, the last question for tonight.
And your question is, whom would you choose to meet? A film star or a famous businessman, and why? Let me repeat that for you. Whom would you choose to meet? A film star or a famous business person, and why?
Thank you so much for a wonderful question. Different people have different perception, and yes, according to me, I would rather meet a famous businessman because since my childhood, I have always been dreaming to become a businessman, woman. So if I meet my idol, I think I'm gonna take advice from him, and so that I could become rich one day, and through that I could help thousands of people, the poor, the needy, and also spread love and unity among different cultures of our state. Thank you, and I would like to end by saying, long live KUT. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was quite a smart answer. Thank you so much, ladies. You may now take the backstage.
You may